Yes, so this is Lunar Primal Bot. You can see it there, Lunar Primal, and this is the profit it has made. Yeah, it started with the $49 today, close trade. You can see the trailing is already on. Those red lines are locking in profit, as you can see right here. Let me show you somewhere here. So this one will lock in the profit if the market comes to this level. It will probably lock some maybe $28 or $30. Then these other stop losses are being adjusted, so they are locking in profit as it goes. Yeah, so this is a signal that is really powerful. It was generated this morning, and we're already at past 130 profit. And Lunar Primal is 1200 USD, and monthly you pay 249 USD. Because you are capable of making up to $500 in a day. If you have an account, maybe $1,000 plus, you'll be able to make over $200 per day max. Yeah, but it plays above $100 per day. Yeah, so this is the Lunar. You can also trade using these patterns. You can also break even. You can force break even using this button. If you press it, it goes close to the profit. It takes all the stop losses close to the profit, leaving a small distance from the profit area. You can always collect all profit. Can you see? It has collected one trade. It has locked one trade in. So we have 3 trades running, and you can see it has adjusted. Let me just remove this. Okay, it is still adjusting. This one is also adjusted. So this means we are probably going to get out of this trade with all wins, because this market is still gonna go up. Yeah, so that is one trade locked in profit already. You can see it has been added here in the today's profit. We had 49, now we have 74 for today. Yeah, so I told you this bot can make you over $200 per day. Max we have given it is $249 maximum, so that you have a consistency performance of a max of $249 and a minimum of $100 per day. So you can see we're already very close. If I close this trade right now, I shall have made over $100. Yeah, and it's still we still have over 10 hours to trade. 10 hours to trade. Yeah, so this bot is in the link in this description. You can always get it. This is Lunar Primal. Just go to the list and look for Lunar Primal, and you'll get it. It is 1200, then monthly you pay 1200 USD, then monthly you'll be paying 249 USD to trade with this bot. Yeah, so if your account is big, the better. You'll be making even more per day. Yeah, the bigger the account, the more profit you'll be able to make per day. And again, this bot evaluates your account and knows which a lot size to allocate for your account. As you can see, it allocated 0.1 lot for $25,000. So I think account above $1,000, it places 0.1, maybe with 5 trades, and locks in profit. I don't know, that's how it works. I've seen it several times. Place 4 entries or 3 entries, depending on many factors: spread, broker's condition. Yeah, so this is Apollo Primal. You can get it using the link in the bio.